Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add the voice assistant to your SONOS speaker. The first thing that you need to do is to open here your application called SONOS. Now tap this gear icon in the top right corner and now scroll down to the general settings. Tap voice assistants and tap add a voice assistant. Now you have two options, SONOS voice control or Amazon Alexa. I will tap here SONOS and tap get started. We need to select our language, accept terms of use, select our speaker, continue. And now our speaker will be updated. Here, as you can see, we have some tips in the meantime. For example, hey SONOS, play music or something like that. It doesn't work now because we don't have the process done yet, but it will be done in a moment. Now, click continue.
Welcome to SONOS Voice Control. To start some music, just say, hey SONOS, play music. Let's give it a try.
Hey SONOS, play music. Hey SONOS, play music. Now I think that we have some copyrighted sound, so I need to quickly... Oh god, I need to pause it somehow. Okay, that's how it works and that's how to call the voices on your speaker. Goodbye.